This is Finn. Does anyone want to guess what kind of owl she is? Does anyone have any guesses on what type of owl?
Night owl?
Not quite a night owl. That's a good guess though. She's a burrowing owl, so she is fully grown. She's 3 years old this year, and she was actually born here at the park. So here at the wildlife park, we actually breed these owls and then release them into the wild because they're an endangered species here in BC. So there's only 50 of them left in the wild here in BC. Elsewhere in the world, their populations are good, but here in BC, they're very, very low. So we breed them and release them in hopes of gaining their numbers. So Finn here, she wasn't released because she was something called the 12th egg. So usually a burrowing owl will only lay kind of on average 6 to 8 eggs in one clutch. Her mom actually laid 12 eggs. So that's a really large clutch. And so a mother burrowing owl will lay 1 egg each day, and then they actually hatch in the same order. So Finn here was the last one to be laid. So out in the wild, she'd be the last one to hatch and the last one to eat. So her mom probably wouldn't have been able to gather enough food for 12 eggs. So she would have probably starved in the wild. So we kept her here at the park, and we raised her by hand, we fed her by hand, so that she would be nice and comfortable when we get groups of people. She can come out and she's not stressed out, she's comfortable, she likes to come see people and stuff like that. So while she's out, you might see her fluff up and shake her feathers. That's called rousing. That means she's really comfortable. You also might see her kind of cleaning her feathers or cleaning her feet. That also means she's nice and comfortable and not stressed out or anything. So like I mentioned, she is a burrowing owl. She's fully grown. These types of owls, they're not like normal owls. They don't live in trees. They actually live underground. So they live in little burrows, which is why they get their name burrowing owl, kind of little caves underground. And so here in BC, they don't dig their own. They actually use burrows dug by other animals, so mainly the badger, sometimes marmots, things like that.